Now you'll notice that my console lid is flat in color. It's because I have already painted it, otherwise it's going to be gloss. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Today we're going to be putting together the interior of this RC four-wheel drive Gelande II D90. For step 1 of the interior, you're going to need these following parts, and you'll need 2 M2x4 flathead screws. And they will be in this bag right here. Now you'll notice that my console lid is flat in color. It's because I have already painted it, otherwise it's going to be gloss. Now for this magnet here, you want to use shoe glue to fix it into place. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, if I fix the magnet into place, you can use the other magnet on the other side just to kind of hold it there. It's strong enough. I actually don't think we need to. So we'll just let that dry. And that completes step 1. For step 2, you'll need these following parts. You'll need the shifters, the shift boot, another magnet, 2 more M2x4 flathead screws, and you'll see here you'll need the base interior, and you see that I've covered the base with felt already. I've also painted this flat black as well. Now for the magnet, you're going to have to make sure that you have it in the correct polarity. One way you can do that is just to check the polarity on the other side and shift it over. Right here. Of course, you're going to have to use shoe glue to fix it. I'm not going to do it now until the glue dries on this side. But that pretty much completes step 2. For step 3, you'll need these following parts. That completes step 3. For step 4, you'll need the dash, and you'll also need one M2.5x6 button heads self-tapping screw, which is in this bag right here. And that completes step 4. For step 5, you'll need the following parts. You'll need the lower half of the dash and 2 more M2.5 by 6 button head self-tapping screws. Now you'll notice that I've already put on the decals for these parts. It's much easier to put it on when it's all apart before you put these together. And it completes step 5. For step 6, you'll just need 2 M3x10 button head self-tapping screws. And that completes step 6. For step 7, you'll need the following parts. Alright, my camera ran out of batteries, but there wasn't too much that happened. Basically glued all these pieces together. And now we've got 2 front seats, and that completes step 7. For the final step, step 8 of the interior, we just need these 4 M3x8 button head self-tapping screws. Alright, I've got these 4 screws in, seats mounted, and that completes step 8. That also completes this part of the RC 4-wheel drive Gelande II D90 Build Series. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this RC 4-wheel drive Gelande II D90 Build Series. Thanks for watching.